Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the April 2013 Grade 7-8 Contest Question 19, which also came up in the Grade 9-10 and 11-12 contests. So the question is, L, M, and N are points on the circumference of a circle with center O. Angle MON equals 110 degrees. What is the size of angle MLN? In geometry problems, one must often add and draw extra lines or circles. So in this case, we must draw extra lines. It is natural to draw a line from L to O because it is the radius and has the same length as OM and ON because they are also the radius. So now we will draw a line from L to O. So now let's look at the two triangles that we have created by drawing this line. So as you can see, from L to O is the same as from O to M, which means that this must be an isosceles triangle, and so must also this be, because these are both the radius, so must be the same length. So we know that these two angles must be the same, so let's call them X. And these two angles must be the same, so let's call them Y. So now we will draw one more line, which is from M to N, so we can complete the triangle LMN. So now let's look at triangle MON. So we know that this must also be an isosceles triangle because from O to N is the same length as O to M because they are both the radius. So we know that in a triangle, all three angles must add up to 180 degrees. And we know that this angle is already 110 degrees as stated in the problem. So we will have 180 minus 110, which means that these two angles must equal 70 degrees. So now let's look at the big triangle LMN. So again, we know that these angles must all equal up to 180 degrees. So we know that these two angles already equal up to 70 degrees. So we will have 180 minus 70 equals 110. So y, so 2y plus x, so 2x. So 2x plus 2y equals 110 because again we had 180 minus 70. These two angles is 110. So the question asks us what angle MLN is. So we know that that would be x plus y. So what we want to find out is what x plus y equals. So as you can see up here, we have 2x plus 2y is 110. And we know 2x plus 2y is just the same as having 2 times, and in brackets, x plus y. and that would equal 110. And there we would have x plus y. So now we just need to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So on the left side we would have x plus y. And then we would have 110 divided by 2, which is 55. So we know that angle MLN is 55 degrees. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at www.brockie.ca/caribou.